Hi guys, Scott Isaacson, MarineMax Sailandski with the Lakeway location. Today we're on a 2020 Sea Ray SPX 19. One of the key features that I love pointing out about this boat is the nice walkthrough. You're not stepping on any of the upholstery. It's a real nice transition into the beautiful cockpit area. One thing that you'll notice about the cockpit is there's a ton of room. So a nice, deep, spacious cockpit for a 19-foot boat. We've got a cooler that's built into the aft bench seat. A very comfortable captain's chair. Then as we move up to the bow, we've got really room for 3 up front as well. So a 19-foot boat that's rated for 10 people, customizable seating on the port bench seat, real deep, you feel real safe in this boat, and it's real nice getting in and out of the cockpit back to the swim platform. So again, my name's Scott Isaacson, just showcasing what was basically the best-selling 19-foot boat in its class from the day it came out, the 19 SPX by Sea Ray. I'm Scott Isaacson. Feel free to call me to schedule an appointment to see this boat at 512-450-8023. Thanks for watching.
Again, my name's Scott Isaacson with MarineMax Sailandski out here in Lakeway. We also have 2 other locations, one in Austin off Highway 183 and one down in San Antonio. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats, feel free to give me a call at 219-2712. Again, that's 512-219-2712. Thanks again.